Okay, today we're going to demonstrate just how to install a Jones valve. It's quick, it's easy. I like to get it somewhere near the unit, usually over the secondary drain pan on a horizontal, but here we're in an upflow position. I just coat my pipe real quick. Code requires to use primer, so in most municipalities won't pass if you don't use primer, so go ahead and use primer. And now I generally will cut off a little bit to account for the center of the valve. Apply the glue. And you're done. Now that we've installed the valve, I'll show you how to use it. It's fast, it's simple. All you have to do is apply your hose. Now you have to have a depressor on this side to depress the schrader valve. You position the valve. There's actually a pointer on the valve. There's an arrow and the edge of it is pointy. Then you apply pressure. Now remember, don't apply more than about 60 psi of pressure because you don't want to break your pipes or any of the connections. So you just apply pressure. Line's cleared. You reverse the valve 180 degrees. Now you're pointing back into the coil. When you park the valve, you turn it so the arrow is pointing away from the schrader valve, and that way there's no possibility of a leak, and you're done. The drain's cleared, and it's all ready to go. Today we're going to demonstrate the Jones valve and how efficient it can be at clearing blockages in drain lines. What's really great about this is it only takes a few moments to do, and I'll demonstrate right now. We're going to take a piece of potato and load it into the line, and then bring it in past the valve. Now by turning the valve so that the arrow faces in the direction that you want to clear the line, all you have to do is apply a little bit of pressure and you'll see the potato hit the target in the background. And you'll notice there that we actually were able to push that piece of potato through 2 different 90s and down the line with no problem at all. So this is a very effective way of clearing lines with the Jones valve.